Indian Neem Face Mask is perfect if you have suffered with acne like myself and you need to remove pimples, dark spots and acne scars. In India, Neem is also used by Bollywood celebrities and is perfect for boosting collagen production and for getting a healthy skin glow whilst looking younger. Neem powder actually comes from ground up neem leaves and roots, which is native to the Indian country. Now, as I mentioned, a lot of Bollywood celebrities use neem. They use it in a face pack, they ground it up into a powder, and some also drink it using half a teaspoon on a daily basis. It is said to purify the blood, help boost circulation, help with aging, collagen production, and giving your skin an overall glow. First of all, neem is packed with antioxidants and it has vitamin C, K, and A. And as you know, these vitamins are vital for healthier skin and boosting it from inside out. I've used neem because I've suffered with acne and pimples and I've always looked for a remedy. I've always used bentonite clay as a mask, but I always wanted to elevate my mask and find something that can help me with acne, with active acne, removing pimples, scars, dark marks, helping to fade spots, and also looking for something that will help with wrinkles or anti-aging as I've entered my 30s. I'm in my mid-30s, so I'm always looking for something that's going to help my skin look hydrated and feel good from the inside and out. I've been using neem for quite a while now, probably about a year. When I went back to my hometown in Durban, South Africa, I found that a lot of the locals, when I went to the Indian stores, I asked, what can I use for acne? My acne just doesn't want to go away. You know, it's hormonal acne, it's cystic acne, it's so damaging to one's self-esteem. And so they recommended, a lot of my Indian aunties recommended neem face powder. And so I added a quarter of a teaspoon to my face mask. And once a week, I noticed my skin felt firmer, my skin felt lighter in terms of fading dark spots and scars, and it just had a healthier glow. So from my experience and my perspective, neem is definitely something I would recommend anyone struggling with acne and that's looking for a natural beauty routine, an active ingredient to add into their. I would highly recommend adding neem into your active beauty routine. So let's get into the recipe. First of all, get a little bowl, add about a tablespoon of Aztec Indian clay mask or bentonite clay mask. Fantastic, that is the base of your face mask. Number 2, you're going to add a teaspoon of neem powder. And 3, you're going to add apple cider vinegar. Now, I highly recommend raw apple cider vinegar with the mother or probiotic still in it because that's going to help give you beautiful nutrients. Mix it all together. Let it stand for probably around 30 seconds. Take a little brush and apply your Indian neem face mask. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until the mask actually hardens, because once it hardens, it's going to extract all of those impurities out of your skin and suck all the dirt out of your clogged pores. If you have oily skin or combination skin like mine, it is perfect. It's going to remove all that gunk. And neem is actually going to penetrate those pores and lift your skin. After about 15 to 20 minutes, take some awesome face wipes, wipe your skin off, or you could wash it off, and look at the difference and feel your skin, and you will feel a difference. I would recommend doing it once or twice a week, depending on how bad your acne is or what your needs are, whether it's anti-aging or whether you have scars or blemishes that you want to fade and remove. Again, give it a shot, test it on your skin, see how it works for your skin, and then you can adapt it to your beauty regime.